Hey everybody, Michael.piccola back with another mortgage talk. Today we're going to be doing advice from a loan officer. And this is going to be a multiple part series, so hopefully you can join in. Look forward to it. Hey everybody, this segment of advice from a loan officer, we're going to talk about things you shouldn't do while you're approved and while you're going through the process, okay? It's very important, and the only reason you hear about this stuff is typically from horror stories, which can cause a bad time in your process, which again, on this series, we're trying to avoid. We're trying to make your process as easy as possible. So things you shouldn't do is add stuff to your credit. I'm talking major purchases. I'm not talking like use your credit card here and there. That's no big deal. But we're talking about buying furniture for the house, buying appliances for the house, buying a car, buying a boat, anything that is going to move the needle on your credit, something that you can't pay off right then and there. Just don't do it. If you need to do it, if it's a necessity, let's say your car breaks down, you need it to get to work, have the conversation with the loan officer. Don't be afraid. We'd rather know up front versus knowing the day or so before closing. The reason why is 10 days prior to closing, or 10 days before closing, we do what's called an LQI, where we check your credit again. It's a soft pull, so you never see it happen, but they want to make sure that you didn't spend any more money, didn't open up any other lines of credit that we should know about. Again, this is simple stuff, just kind of straight and narrow, and you really should start this practice from the day of pre-approval. Again, your loan officers aren't annoyed when you just say, hey, look, here's my situation, can I? It's better to ask first than have to reconvene and have a new plan the day or so before closing. Just little things that you can do to stay away from stress, especially when you're purchasing a house, because it is stressful enough.